Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to show you that how can we take trades as per the market movement. So if you analyze the market here, you can easily see that this is the level. Okay, now you can see I have drawn this level here and trend is a downtrend, and now you can see from this point to this point, this is the next expected reversal area. So we need to be very careful while we take any kind of trade. Okay, so now for this zone you can easily see that from this point to this point, this is the reversal area. So if the candlestick closes here, so we can easily go here with the buyers. Okay, now I can go here with the buyers again. I have got here a 5-second confirmation. Let me show you here. Okay, I got here a 5-second confirmation. This is a 5-second confirmation here. Market will 110% will close above this area, so this is a fake breakout. So you will see here a bullish candle. Now you can see market is trying to go up. Why? Because you can see here at this level, at this area, I got a 5-second confirmation. So after a breakout, if you get a 5-second confirmation, it is a sign that market is trying to retest the level again. So by using this theory, I took my trade. And if you want to see a bit more, now you can see here, if you connect it with this rejection, you can see market closed here at the level of the buyers. So therefore we are getting here a winning trade. Now let me show you here. Okay, so in this zone, what I am seeing here, okay, so at this area right now you can see market is only moving in these two ranges, so we need to wait. Okay, now okay, I need to connect it with the closing point. Now you can see again I am seeing here a seller's entry. Now what does it means? It means that you can easily see that I can go again here with the sellers, and I want to show you here that the next expected reversal area will be this one. Okay, so now why I am showing to you all this level, because we are seeing here the rejections from these levels. So we have connected these rejections, so it is giving us right now a proper situation for the trade. So therefore I went with the sellers and we will win this trade. Now you can see here, this is the level. Okay, now you can see this is the level. Okay, so market is exactly here. Now it is breaking this level. So what I need to do, I will wait here because I will get here a retracement candle again. So by hitting this area or by hitting this area, now you can see these lines, we can get here again a seller's entry. So whenever you get this kind of situation, at least wait for 1 to 2 minutes if you want to get a proper trading setup. Now you can see here. Okay, so previously you can see this was a reversal area. Now it broke up. Now you can see exactly it is at the level. So if it closes here with a rejection, you can expect here again a seller's entry. So we are getting the rejection, market is closing here, so I can easily go here again with the sellers. So you can see here I have drawn all the levels, expected levels here. Market is closing where? Market closed exactly at the level. You can see this is the level, and from this point I am seeing here previously the trend line. It means that this rejection will lead this market to go down, and it will give you here at least a winning trade. So this is the way you can take your trades. Now you can see it can get here a support because we have drawn the levels. You can see a rejection, a market movement, so it can get also a support from this level. So you need to analyze each and every level to get a proper trading setup. So again, I can easily go here with the sellers. We can get here another winning trade easily. Why? You can see here, this is the level. If you draw a horizontal level here, this is the level, and now you can see market is trying to go down, and it will at least make another bearish candle here. So we will get here a winning trade again. So let's see. Okay, still we are having here 15 seconds, so we will easily win this trade. Market will get a rejection. I took my trade here with a okay. So now you can see again market went down. It gave me a doji candle, but we won the trade because we took this trade with a margin of safety. So I will try to explain all the trades one by one and try to remember all these points. Okay, so now you can see here this was my first trade. I took my trade here in an up direction Y. So if you analyze the market here, you can see I have drawn this trend line here, and I also so I have drawn here this trend line here from this point to this point. Now you can see from this point to this point. Now I've also connected it with the rejection of the buyers. So if you get here a breakout, and if it closes here with a rejection, you can expect here a buyer's entry. And I went here with 5-second confirmation. Let me show you here. Okay, let me show you here. You can see here I can get an idea that this is a 5-second confirmation, so because of that I went here with the buyers, and now you can see market closed here. So this was my first trade. Now after that I took a trade here in a down direction. I waited here at least only for 1 minute, and now you can see here what I did. It was very much simple to see. Now you can see here we have already drawn the levels here. So this is the next expected level from where we are getting the rejection. So still there is a gap to the level. It is a downtrend and a sign of continuation here. So because of this gap, I went here with the sellers, and we won this trade too. So after that I took here another trade in a down direction. So now if I want to ask you that what is the reason behind this trade, you can easily see that already we have drawn the levels. Okay, market closed exactly at the previous support area, and you can see exactly from this point market closed here, and I took my trade here, and market went down and we won this trade too. So after that, now you can see if I draw it like this, you can see again market is reversing back. You can see here, this is the level. In this zone you can see sellers are again entering here. So now I took another trade here, and because of margin of safety we won this trade. Why? You can easily see that this is a doji candle. Still there was a gap to the level, and because of this tiny gap and because of this gap of opening, I got here this bullish candle. Otherwise it was a short a doji at this area, and it will be a confirmed bearish candle. So this is the way that we are trying to get the opportunities into the market. And now you can see here I have only used this zone. You can see I have only used this chart. So you can see here again it is a buyer's entry. Now if there is any kind of level what you are seeing here, again you can see buyers went up. Because of the momentum we are getting here a buyer's entry. Market closed exactly again at the level. But if you want to check the past, you can easily see that this was a strong seller's area. And now what's going on here? So if you analyze the market here, you can see a strong sellers. You can see here again a strong sellers. You can see here a weak sellers, not continuation of sellers here. So there is no continuation of sellers here. So because of that we are getting here what we are getting here, a bullish candle. So it means that sellers are not that much present here in this zone. So they are not sure to make this market to move up. But now you can see again we are getting here a doji. So also it means that sellers or buyers are fighting here for this zone, and it is getting the rejection from this area. So if I want to take a trade here, let me show you here. I can take my trade. Okay, I am not in a position to take my trade. Now let me show you here. If you get here a situation like this, okay, so now I am going to continue the session. Okay, now you can see again I took my trade here in a down direction, and you can see here market broke this level, but it opened in this level which I have drawn here. Let me show you the level. You can see here it was a support, and at this area market came and it went down. So this is a complete SNR situation, and I took my trade again here with a 5-second confirmation. So let me show you here. Now you can see, okay, this is the 5-second confirmation where I took my trade, and now you can see market went down and it gave me another winning trade. So this is the way you can take your trades. You need to analyze the market properly, and you need to identify the levels properly. Now if you analyze this market here, let me show you here. You can see market went up, came down, again went up, again came down, again went up. Now it is going down. So on the left side there was a momentum. Okay, so for me the next expected reversal area can be this one. So we need to wait, because after a breakout we can expect here a retracement candle. And let me show you here. Okay, market is closing exactly at the, okay, we can expect also here a continuation. Now you can see this is a rejection. still there is a gap to the level, so market can move up and it can also hit this area and it can go down. So let me try to take another trade if I got the good opportunity. Okay, if the market goes up, I will try to take a trade. Now you can see market is not giving me an opportunity here. You can see exactly from this point market is giving us a rejection. It means that sellers will continue from this zone, so we need to wait. Okay, so now you can see this is also a level of consideration, so we can get here. Let me show you here. Okay, I can again get here a bullish candle. I have taken a trade again here in an up direction. Now you will see here a bullish candle because this is a weak sellers, a reversal candle, so it has to go up from this zone. So this is my last trade, and after this I will end my session. I have taken almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trades, and let's see, because of gap down opening, but I went here with the buyers. Okay, it happens because of the late entry, but market will close here like this, so again we will definitely win this trade. So I took my trade, and now you can see again we can expect here a seller's entry. So this is how we can take trades. Now you can see still there is a gap, so therefore market is trying to go up. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. I have explained each and every trade in front of you all. So have a blessed day ahead, have a blessed weekend ahead, and if you have any queries, you can also discuss the queries in the group. And if I don't reply, it means that I am busy, but I always love to reply you all. And you can join also our channel Trading Skills. The link is in the description on Telegram, and you can also subscribe our channel for more effective videos. You can join our trading skill community. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now.